Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is rhedeg, run. Rhedeg, as in, paid â rhedeg, don't run. Rhedeg, run.